Welcome to Digital Learning. I'm Manjula ML, Assistant Professor of Commerce, JFGC, Kumpanagra, Mysore. In this session, we discussed about premium loading, and this is the last topic of fourth unit. So, premium loading. Loading primarily occurs in life as well as health insurance plans. According to insurers, loading is an additional cost built into insurance policy to cover losses which are higher than anticipated for the company arising from insuring a person who is prone to a form of risk. So everyone has a right to buy insurance in India, and insurance companies are in the market to provide the life coverage. However, they are also in the business to earn profit and to protect that. They treat each and every customers on a different parameter. So if you are not in excellent health and are considered to be too risky for the insurance company, it may even deny giving you the policy, but it can't keep denying every other person purely based on risk. Therefore, they bring in something called loading in insurance policies when it comes to calculate the premium. The people who are considered risky, that means with whom the company has a higher risk of paying out death benefit, are charged a higher premium compared to low risk category customers. In simple words, you can say is loading in insurance policies is an additional cost that is a part of the insurance policy premium that seeks to cover the higher anticipated losses which an insurance company assumes to incur by insuring a risky customer. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಕವರೇಜ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ರಿಸ್ಕನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ನಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂಥವರು ಇರೋ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿಗೆ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಸೇರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So premium loading means an additional premium on top of the standard premium charged by the company to the policyholder according to the additional risk assessed for the insured person. The percentage of insurance premium deducted from the premium payment for universal life insurance policies to cover policy expenses and including the agent sales commissions depending on the universal policy design. The premium load may be a front end load, back end load, or a combination of the two. So here additional factor that affecting the loading ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಯುಪೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಇದು ಲೋಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ರಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್, ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. Obesity, so it gives through the obesity the health problem is increases, so various health problem will be faced by the policyholder. Then he can approach to the insurance company to for the extra benefits. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಶೂರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಲಿ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಹಂಗೇನಾರು ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಡಿಷ್ನಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಶೂರರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಕವರೇಜನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ, ಪ್ರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ಸು. So if you are suffering from some pre-existing alignments that can result in higher medical cost or death benefit during the policy term, you will be considered a risky customer. The insurer will charge loading to the premium, and the percentage of loading will vary from the company to company as per their underwriting guidelines. And next one is genetic history. So you might be perfectly hale and hearty, but you might be genetically prone to certain diseases like cardiac disorder and certain types of cancer. So this will also make an insurance company to add extra premium to your base premium as a loading in your policy. Age: as you grow older, mortality charges and the probability of you dying also aggravates and to lesser their risk. The insurers provide will add loading to your policy, which means covering you for the specified tenure at an additional cost, considering high risk factor in your life. And profession: some people are employed in dangerous professions like working in a coal mine or the armed force, or being a journalist or a business traveler, where you have to the countries which are considered risky. Even if there is no danger to you due to your health condition, professional requirements might keep you in the extremely risky category, thereby affecting the premium calculation for the premium. And lifestyle: so if you are living a sedentary lifestyle, eating junk food, no exercise, smoking, etc., then the probability of your falling sick due to obesity or getting life threatening diseases like cardiac disorders, diabetes, and the likes increases manifolds. Also, if you love adventures sports, love to go on trekking or indulge in dangerous activities, you will be a part of high risk customers. So this lifestyle then becomes a prominent factor while calculating the premium. To understand this factor and look for the loading clauses in terms of terms and condition of the plan you are going to buy. It is as advisable to compare policies with other insurance as well before finalizing any one. So how they are calculating the premium? So insurance company considers several factors when calculating insurance premiums. Your age: insurance companies look at your age because that can predict the likelihood that you will need to use the insurance. With health insurance, younger people are less likely to need medical care, so their premiums are generally cheaper. Premium increase as people age and have a higher chance of needing more medical service. And teenage drivers are still working on building experience, so they are more expensive in expensive to insure. Likewise, older drivers who tend to have slower reflexes will also pay more. And the type of coverage: in general, you have several options when you buy an insurance policy. The more comprehensive coverage you get, the more expensive it will be. For example, if you have an auto insurance policy that covers liability only, it will be cheaper than if you have a plan with comprehensive liability, medical payments, and uninsured or underinsured mortgage coverage. The amount of coverage, the less coverage, the cheaper the premium, no matter what you are insuring. If you buy health insurance, for example, you will pay lower premium for the same type of coverage if you have a higher deductible and a higher out of pocket maximum. Similarly, it will cost more than insure a 4 lakhs rupees home than a 2 lakhs rupees home. Personal information: it's depending on the type of insurance you are shopping for. The insurance company may take a close look at things like your claim history, driving record, credit history, gender, marital status, lifestyle, family medical history, health, smoking status, hobbies, job, and where you live. And actual tables, most insurance company employs actuaries who are business professionals that assess the risk of financial loss using mathematics and statistics to predict the likelihood of an insurance claim based on much of the aforementioned criteria. They typically produce something called an actuarial table that is provided to an insurance company's underwriting department who use the input to set policy premiums. So in the premium method, the pure premium is first calculated by summing the losses and loss adjusted expenses over a given period and dividing that by number of exposure units. Then the loading charge is added to the pure premium to determine the gross premium that is charged to the customers. So thank you.